Next, guys, is core threes. What is core three? Core three is next level. Man, this is the coolest class. Everybody's like getting to level three. They're like, okay, what am I gonna experience? I'm faster now at core two. I know the foundational principles of all prosthetics. What's happening in core three? Well, you're gonna get a bunch of arches, man, and it's gonna be cool. So you're gonna be on your own with arches. In core two, you're sharing some of these cases, but you have some arches on your own. Core three, you're gonna get more digital workflow. So think about this. Core one, you're getting photogrammetry, digital workflow. Two, you get a little more of it while you're increasing your implant placement and being more competent. Core three, we're putting that shit together. Photogrammetry, digital workflow, you're gonna be coming here and doing arches. You're gonna be learning how to do the hybrid prosthetic. You're gonna be getting geared towards the FB1 prosthetic. You'll be knowing how to do the XCAD designs, the prints. You're gonna be having those patients that you're actually taking the teeth out, doing teeth in a day procedures. You're all gonna be able to see these 3D printed prosthetics delivered in that patient's mouth. You're gonna actually get to experience your patient doing a life-changing procedure yourself, because each of you guys are gonna get in. Are you gonna be with an instructor? Better believe it, because you're gonna realize very quickly, thank God I'm faster, but I'm not just there yet. So we're breaking the fear now at three, getting into that next level of going into the full arch arena, getting you exposed, and we're practicing basically at this point full arch dentistry.